Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn what our faceless scene builder is and how is it primarily used and who this software is for or not for. I'll just give a brief summary about that. Firstly, we know that when we try to generate AI videos from platforms like VU3, Supergrow, Sedans 2 or Sora Video, we definitely need prompts. That is, a prompt is an instruction given to AI platforms and it gives us a video output according to that instruction. We then download that video and perhaps upload it to social media or YouTube. Now, suppose you want to make a 10-minute video. To make a 10-minute or 5-minute video, AI can't create a 10-minute video all at once. Depending on the platform, some might give you 5 seconds, some 6 seconds, some 8 seconds, some might give you a 15-second clip. And to make a 5 or 10-minute video, keeping the previous and next clips consistent, maintaining full story consistency, character consistency, you must arrange your prompts accordingly. That is, suppose you want to make a video with 80 prompts. So those 80 prompts must be consistent with each other. One instruction must be consistent with another. If you want to generate the video maintaining 100% consistency, so for that, many of us use AI LLMs like ChatGPT or Gemini, and just by using them, it's not like giving one command will make it give you everything with 100% consistency. If you try to do it that way, you'll see that one clip doesn't match another and you probably can't generate the video as professionally as who are prompt engineers. They can generate the video in a way that you might not be. So this is where our faceless scene builder comes in. We designed the scene builder software in such a way that you just, suppose I went to the scene builder and you just give your idea here. There are some options. You select these options, then choose what agent mode you want to use. And when you click generate scene, you'll see कि इन प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर में है जरूर है या 50 या 100 prompts जिसके बाद scenes को provide. It has generated 50 prompts accordingly, maintaining 100% consistent. For example, here I see there are about 60 prompts. If I go to the edit scene, you'll see that each prompt is a JSON, and with these JSON prompts, you can easily submit them to any platform and create videos. These are made with an 8-second duration. So you can create them by submitting to platforms that support an 8-second duration. You can also change the duration here. There's 10 seconds and then there's 15 seconds. So you select the duration for the platform you want to use. Then our software will create the scenes for you based on how many scenes you want. And it won't just create the scenes. It will also ensure consistency between characters in different scenes. This software will handle all of that. What I'm trying to say is that this software's job is to build the scenes. और क्या क्या यूज करना है को scenes, वो mainly use Gemini या फिर जो भी provider hub यूज करते हैं. That means to use the software, you must set up an API. For the API, you can use Gemini or you can use OpenAI or Grok. However, for LLM, Gemini is definitely the best. Google Gemini is the best. It will generate scenes for you very well with high quality and consistency. However, it's not just Gemini. If you want your scenes to be generated with 100% audio consistency, मतलब जब आप रेंडर होगा यहां पर क्लिक रेंडर को जाते हैं तो आपकी the audio that was generated will render the video maintaining 100% consistency and no one will even realize that you did it manually or with software. And every task can actually be done manually. But doing it manually requires, you might spend an entire day creating a video with 80, 100 or 150 scenes. You might not be able to do any other work all day. But with software, you can, for example, provide an idea here, or we have many pre-built niches here, almost 100 pre-built niches. You just need to provide the title and it will generate scenes of that topic and type. When you create a video with those scenes, that type. So if you try to do these things manually, it will take you all day. But with software, you just click and your project manager will automatically continue. You can continue with your other work. So you might spend 10, 15, 20 minutes or within an hour actively using a complete video, which might have taken you all day to do manually. This is actually the main benefit of software. It saves your time. Many will say that the software will probably generate video. Yes, there's a video generation system. For that, you need to add an API. For example, the Oxy API platform, which we've added here, is a unified platform. Here, if you add an Oxy API key, you'll see within Oxy, you'll find Gem 11 Lab and then Grok's API. Everything is there. But for that, they burn a good amount of credit for each clip. A good amount of credit is used and you need money to buy, meaning you can buy credits. But since we have a collaboration with them, without the video API, you can use the video API if you want, but if you don't use the video API, without the video API, they've given us a package for unlimited scene gen support, 11 lab support, which you might be able to use for the whole month at a 50% discount. We already have other videos about this. You'll understand if you watch the video. But today's video is about what the scene builder actually. So if I look a bit more properly, let me show if I show examples, for instance, these types of videos, you can very easily create them using just click on that pre-built niche and give your title to generate the videos or generate the scenes. अगर submit करता है these type of, now you can submit scenes using the API, or you can submit with the Super Grok, or by submitting in V3, you can do it. And when you watch this video, this too you can generate very easily. For example, any of these videos, any video, for this, just what you want to generate, that type of, if the niche is in pre-built, then it's easy for you. You come to pre-built, search, and then कदम क्लिक करने आपको टाइटल और टाइटल आईडी से अगर आप इस क्लिक करना एग्जांपल, you copy this, and if you just paste the titles here, if you ask here to give you more titles of this type, in that case you'll see that it gives you many more titles of this type, and you just copy and paste them here, and when you click you'll just change the title. और टाइटल पर जाके आपको टाइटल प्रोजेक्ट नेम पे, then you'll specify how many scenes you want, how many seconds, and when you click generate scene, it will create those scenes for. So this is the main function of the software. Additionally, you can also, for example, if you want to provide your own ideas, you can do that too. You can submit your own ideas here or write something yourself. After writing, if you use the full AI auto mode and specify how many seconds and how many scenes you want, the AI will automatically generate scenes based on your idea, maintaining 100% consistency. And to maintain 100% consistency, as we all know, you have to create. So in that case, after the scene is generated, you just click on generate image. Meaning generate image. So when you click generate image, what happens is that for the scenes that have been built or it will create one image for each of those scenes. For example, if I click open folder, you'll see that it first generated the character images. Then it sent the characters and generated the images. And if you look closely at the images, you'll see that the image consistency is 100% accurate. Let me show you. This person, you'll see that it's always the same. Look, this person, exactly the same. This person is the same. See? I mean, there are also some other scientists with him. He's also the same. See? The same? Exactly the same. 100% accurate, and you'll actually create the video. You just upload the image, and then here, suppose you uploaded image number 1 along with the text file of the scene. You submit the text, you'll see that the video or clip is generated with 100% accurate character consistency. You just bring those clips and put them in generate video. Or if you don't have any budget issues, then you just click generate video here, and here you click on the Oxy API, then it's image to video. With image to video, You keep the video on, then you click on Grok image video since I generated it. So generate video ko bhi automatically generate videos of 6 seconds each using that image. And after the videos are finally generated, there is this will be clickable. If you click it, then you can add a logo to the video, intro, outro, background music, everything, and then click render. So it's a complete solution. But for this, you'll have to depend on a third-party API. Because video models are very expensive. It's actually impossible to include this with the software. It's actually not possible. But even if it were, the pricing would have to be very high, and you'd find that for 10, 20 or even 100 clips to make one video, it would cost 5. That's why we've made everything dependent on third-party APIs. You'll add a third-party API as you like. You'll burn as much credit as you need for your video. Then if you need it next month, you'll use it. If not, you won't. So that's why you need to add a third-party API and then do all the. So this is the work of our scene builder. Additionally, you can also provide a script here, your own script. Then turn on audio generation. And after that, you have 11lab in the Oxy API, or if you have an official 11lab account, 11lab is already added in the once added, the option will appear automatically here. So when you turn this on, you'll select your audio as you like. Then when you click generate, everything will come up automatically. Then you come here and you just come here and specify how many seconds you want and keep this automatically selected. Then click start generates. Then the script you provide will automatically generate audio. ऑडियो जनरेट होगा है तो उस ऑडियो के कभी सीन्स जैसा रूटा है 6 सेकंड्स है तो 6 सेकंड्स है या अगर 8 सेकंड्स है तो 8 सेकंड्स है या 15 सीन्स एज नीडेड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट सीन. Based on that audio, it will build the scene for you and you'll create images from those scenes. Click on generate image, and then after clicking generate image, you'll use Oxy already has Nano Banana, or if you use Gemini, Gemini has it too, no problem. If you use official Gemini, it has, you'll generate the images using Nano Banana. Then you'll create the video. You can use Super Grok or V3 to make the video, no problem. Or click generate video here and create the video through the API. No, but the main purpose of our software is to save your time and create images with 100% accuracy. Creating images, converting images to video, everything will be automated. This is very helpful for those who are new or don't understand prompts very well, because they probably won't be able to properly maintain 100% consistency in a video. And if they try, it would take them a day or two. That's why this software was built. So for those who can't really burn some money every month or who are looking for everything free, who want 100% free API and 100% free unlimited video generation, this software is not for them. Because this software is basically a bit advanced. So for those who want to work long term, जो भी है जो upload करते हैं YouTube, Facebook or TikTok and get monetization to earn something, this software is for them. And for those who run this as a side venture or as their main profession. But you will have to burn a certain amount every month for the API. If you want, you can use the Oxy API that we've added, or you can use your own official API from other platforms if you have them. You can add it and then use it however you like. So today we just discussed a summary. However, in the next videos, you'll see how each module works and how to use them properly. There are about 61 pre-built niches here. We'll discuss how to properly use these to create videos, maintain 100% audio consistency, and how to use 11labs audio too, or how to create scenes with 11labs audio, generate video. We will discuss all of this step by step in the upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.